Welcome to DAV Mall Public School, Sita Savangi in our e-learning classes. Dear students, I am your mathematics teacher, Mrs. Rajni Sayyed. Today in standard 2nd, we will see odds and evens. Okay, odds and evens number. Which are these numbers? Yes, even numbers. They are always paired. And we have studied that odd numbers, they are not paired. For example, 1 we can find only single 1. Okay, is there any pair of this? 1 is alone, so that is odd. Okay, doubles? No. 2 we can find 2. They form one pair. Okay, so it is forming a pair, it is even. So yes. 3, again in 3, one circle, that is alone. Okay, 2 they form the pair and 1 is alone, so it is odd. Dear students, if all the circles, if it is paired, then it is even, and if it is not paired, then it is odd. The number is odd. Now in 4, all the 4 circles, they are paired. Two pairs are there, so it is even. 5, 1 is alone. Okay, so it is odd. 6, all are pairs, so even. 7, 1 is alone, so odd. 8, we find all the pairs, so even. 9, 4 pairs are there and 1 is alone, so odd. 10, all the 5 they are paired, so 5 pairs are there, no one is alone, so it is even. Understood, dear students? Let's see some more example. Now tell me, is it even or odd? Yes, all are paired? No, so odd. Second one, all are paired? Yes, then even. Third one, all are paired? Yes, we find all the pairs, no one is alone, so even. Next, all are paired? Is there anyone alone? No, so even. Next, 1 is alone, so this is odd. Next, all are paired, so it is even. Okay, let us count this. First one is 5. Second is 2. This is 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. This is 1 2 3. Here we are having 5 pairs, so 5 2s are 10. Okay, dear students, let's see some more example. Now this is a train of even. Train of even, it has the compartment 0 2 4 6 8 and odd 1 3 5 7 9. So dear students, if in a number the last digit, ending digit is 0 2 4 6 or 8, then that number is even. And if we have 1 3 5 7 9 at the end or as a last digit, then that number is odd. Okay, let's see some example. You have to circle the even numbers. 2 7, which is even? Even numbers are the numbers which come from table of 2. 2, yes. Then 6. Here 16 comes from table of 2. Yes, 6. Here 18 and 13, 8. 8 means even. 12 and 17, end digit is 2 and 7, which will be even? 12. 6 and 17. 6 and 7 are the end digit, so which one is even? 6. Then 12. Then 8, 8, 2. Same over here, 3 and 4, which comes in table of 2? 4. So 4 is even. 10 and 7, which comes in table of 2? 10. So 10 is even. 20 and 5, which comes in table of 2? 20. So 20 is even. 8 and 11, 8. 2 and 3, obviously 2. 7 and 18, 18. 3 and 14, 14 comes in table of 2, same 14. Here 20 and last 4. Understood, dear students? Okay. Let's see odd or even. Sports t-shirt. 8. Yes, even. 31 odd. 23 3 and 3 23. 3 is the end digit, so it doesn't come in table of 2, so odd. 60 0. Yes, even. 42 2 is there, end digit is 2, so it is even. 0 5 comes in table of 2, no, so odd. 17 7 comes in table of 2, no, so odd. 56 6 comes in table of 2, yes, then even. Okay dear students, now this we have to shake the dice. 5 and 6 11, is it even, odd or even? It is odd. 6 plus 3, that is 9, and it is again odd. This you play in a Ludo na. 5 and 5, that is 10. 10 is comes in table of 2, so even. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 4 12. 12 comes in table of 2, so even. Last one 6 7 8. 8 and 5 13. 13 doesn't come in table of 2, so it is odd. Understood dear students? Let's see our assignment. In assignment you have to color this number, odd numbers in green, second even number in blue, and third color the even number blue and odd number green. This you will do in your notebook. Okay, this number you will write in your notebook and you will color that. Fine. And this skipping by 2 is odd. You have to write here all the odd numbers 1 3 5 7 in this way till 127. Okay students, isn't the assignment easy? That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.